see a Power BI desktop. There are some links of right side and left side. And here the right side the links are what's new. Take a look at what's new and improved in a Power BI in these month's update. And Power BI blog. Keep up to date with the latest news, resources and updates from a Power BI team. Forms. Visit the Power BI form to ask a question or interact with other users in the Power BI community. Tutorials. Ready to learn more about the Power BI. And coming to the left side, there is a get data, recent sources and other open other reports. So click on the cancel and we can see a desktop. Power BI desktop. There is a search button. We can suggest actions and here is sign up. We can sign in with our email address and here minimize and close button and here is a file. In file there is a new open report, existing report and save as get data. Connect the data from a multiple resources. Get data, connect to a data from multiple sources and here export. In export there is a Power BI template, Power BI visual from files, Power BI visuals from app source and export. Export contents to a new file. Here the Power BI template export to PDF and options and settings. There are options and data source setting. And coming to a home, there is a get data. Connect to data from multiple sources and here Excel. Import data from a Microsoft Excel workbook and is it a Power BI data sets. Create a live connection to our data sets in the Power BI services and there are some tools. And in insert, coming to our insert, there is a new page. You can add a page to your report and new visuals, more visuals, key influence, smart narrative and there is a button, shapes, images. And coming to a modeling. In modeling we can see a new table, expression to create a new table and a new parameter. Let you see your data behaves under a different conditions. And here is the languages. You can change the languages to use your asked questions. And coming to a view. The view we can see a defaults, blooms, current theme and page view. We can choose a page view, mobile layout. We can design your report for mobile devices and your filters, bookmarks, selections, performance, etc. And coming to a help. In help we can see a about the version of Power BI user you are using a get session information, how to accomplish tasks and use different features in Power BI. Training videos from Power BI experts on YouTube and support documentation, Power BI blog, features and read updates from our team, community, Power BI developers and some examples consulting services. And coming to our external tools, there is a DAX Studio external tools. And coming to a here, it is a report and it is a data and it is a model. And coming to a right side, there is our visualizations, filters, values, drill through